Today we are going to talk about a very good and totally innovative course, and I'm here to talk about something that can change the lives of many people who want to venture into the world of carpentry, but don't know where to start. I am talking about the online course, Carpentry for Beginners. Many people have the desire to build their own furniture and wooden objects, but they don't have enough knowledge to do it safely and efficiently. And often, the cost to hire a professional is too high, making the idea unfeasible. It was with these people in mind that Central Street Studio created the online course Carpentry for Beginners. With it, you will learn everything you need to start working with wood safely and efficiently, without having to spend a fortune. And you already liked it? And signed up? We are always here to give you a solution, and this helps us to keep bringing the best solution to you. The online course Carpentry for Beginners is an excellent option for those who want to learn the art of carpentry. It is designed for beginners, with no previous experience in carpentry, teaching them step by step how to build simple carpentry projects, such as boxes, tables, and shelves. The course consists of detailed video lessons, presenting the techniques and tools needed for each project, as well as important safety tips on tool handling. In addition, the course includes an ebook with project plans and material lists for each project. A major advantage of this course is that it is completely online, allowing you to learn at your own pace, without having to worry about fixed schedules or physical locations. In addition, the course is affordable and offers excellent value for money for those who want to get started in carpentry. By signing up for this course, you will have access to a number of benefits, such as learning the basic carpentry techniques, from choosing the wood to finishing the project. Learn the essential tools for carpentry work, such as saws, hammers, chisels, sandpaper, and more. Have access to online classes, which you can watch at your own pace and from the comfort of your own home. Support from your instructor, who is available to answer all your questions and help you solve problems. Have access to an exclusive student group, where you can share experiences and knowledge with other woodworking enthusiasts. Don't waste any more time dreaming about creating your own wood furniture and objects. With the online course, Beginner's Carpentry, you will turn that dream into reality. Register now and start building your own future. The link to enroll is in the description below this video.